Kia ora, Chrissy back again, and we're going to get into the next episode of Chainsaw Man.
Like, comment, and subscribe, please.
So last time we had gunfire, and I think everybody is dead. Everybody, apart from Aki, he is still around, and I think Denji. I mean, obviously he's our main character, but we didn't see him after he was shot. But Himeno, she sacrificed her entire body to bring forth her ghost devil to help fight against who I now know as the Katana Devil. So she's gone. Our rookies, Arai and Kobeni, they were gunned down. I mean, it was kind of off screen, but it was heavily implied that that's what happened. Makima, as she was going to Kyoto with her partner, they were both gunned down on the train. I still can't get over that. And I think Power's still alive. She's still alive because she was trying to help. Oh, she was trying to help Himeno, but yeah, Himeno, as I said, she sacrificed herself. So we've got a new person on the scene. This Katana Devil, and whoever this woman is that's with him, that healed him. I don't know what she did, but she has like the snake devil, and that thing was awesome. I must admit, even though it I think it bit in half or almost entirely devoured the ghost devil, which itself was awesome. And also like devils can die, right? So does that mean the ghost devil is dead? Also, the fox devil got chomped as well. Did it? No. The katana devil cut its way out of it. Oh god. Anyway, I don't know what the f is going on. Things just took a huge turn, and I don't know where we're going to go from here. And I'm hoping that Denji is okay, but it looks like he's got, clearly this is all the work of the gun devil. It has to be. So yeah, clearly we're on to like a different tier of drama at the moment, I think. So I think things are really going to change. We're going to get into this next episode. If you'd like the full-length reaction to this episode as well as others in the series and other shows, then you can go to my Patreon. The link will be down in the description box below. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. Just giving this video a like, commenting, subscribing to my channel, any of that will help as well. Okay, let's get into it. And cry for you. It's so cool though. Love that. Oh, I liked it before when it just disappeared, just gone. So it's just Aki, Power. Oh. Oh, she ran? Ghost. Wakey wakey, Denji. Every time I hear that Shinzo, I think of Attack on Titan. Oh, the music! I love his craziness. Damn it. Oh, the heart's pumping now. I get the feeling though that this Katana Devil may be a little bit more experienced than what Denji is. So, you know, he's going to be like a real adversary for Denji. Why, like I think I mentioned it in my previous episode, why do they want his heart? Is it because it's Pochita specifically?
こちら沢渡練馬に死体ビル3階でチェーンソーと戦っている
But she's working with a larger group. Like, are they a group in opposition to the public safety group? Or are they with the gun devil? Or the heart. Don't you want the heart? It's fast. He doesn't care. It's not what you think, Denji.
Kyoto.
Cut him clean and fucking off. I mean, clearly he's not dead, but still. Oh. Fuck, she is dead.
もうすぐ駅に着く。車両移動して民間人に紛れるぞ。
Huh? Who are these two? Thank God!
新幹線内で銃撃にあった。死体があるから片付けさせて。
マキマさん、その血は
どこか撃たれましたか
これは返り血。私は撃たれなかった。
What the Oh my God. Those are big ass holes. What is she?
おそらく敵の目的はデンジ君だ。
The enemy has Denji, honey.
黒瀬君、法務省から終身刑以上の犯罪者を30人ほど借りてきて、天童ちゃん、近くにあるできるだけ標高が高い神社を一つ貸し切って。
Oh. Very specific
あと、
request.
私の着替えもお願いし
I
ま
thought
す。
she would have at least changed her clothes before going out in public. "30 convicts at a temple with the highest altitude." Why?
しばらく俺はもう戦えねえぞ。お前も手伝え。はいはいはいはい。
Just a crow.
おいおい、持てよ。テンパってんじゃねえ。持て。おい、なんか変な感じだ。ああ？
変な感じってどういう
Oh!
E 班 C 班に再度マキマの死亡を確認させろ
Ooh.
さっきから C 班との連絡が取れない。
Is this Makima doing this? Is this, I don't know, why she needed these people? That's a yes.
なんで俺たちも目隠しを
一階のデビルハンターやと契約している悪魔を知ることは。
Oh, okay.
三島修造と言いなさい。
三島修造。
And that's the next person to die?
おい聞いてるのか三島。
Goodbye. Hmm.
井上隆と言いなさい。
井上隆。
That poor woman. Oh. How did she know the names?
止まった。
ここで私ができることは終わりました。
There was a lot.
こんなデタラメな力は多分マキマのだ。
ちくしょう殺したんじゃなかったのかよ。
If you want Denji's heart, then just rip it out. Like, do you have to... Would that not work? Copy me. An eye! Took a bullet for her.
あなたたち銃撃犯ですよね。
Mm-hmm.
ヘリスポッ。
Oh, Kobeni! Girly! Use his body as a shield. Everybody give it up for Kobeni. I knew it. I knew she'd be a badass. She was amazing.
この間は殺そうとしてごめん。
Forgiven. Oh.
殺そうとしてごめんって。なんだそれ。ダメだ。ハイになっちゃう。
Yeah, you are freaking out. Okay.
私をかばって。私のせいで。もうダメだ。この仕事してたら。
I think you're halfway there, sweetheart.
姫の先輩に会ったらやめるって。
Oh no!
2課、3課、4課ともに銃撃に遭い、人外以外はほとんど全員死にました。
銃の悪魔が関わっているだろうね。
100%.
以降、公安大麻得意4課をマキマさんの指揮下に置きます。
You didn't plan this, did you, Makima? I'm just joking.
僕の辞表です。
Oh,
やめちゃうの？
辞めるか殺されるかの2択ですよ。
そう。
well, it's
最後
gonna.
に教えてください。マキマさんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか？
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな。まどかくん、今までありがとう。これ渡しておくね。
Maybe no. I'll give it no. I won't start getting too distrustful just yet.
マキマさん、俺たち得意科に入るわけやないですからね。
指導に来ただけですからね。
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
That was amazing. I'm still Himeno. I'm still I don't want to cast any like aspersions on Makima, but what Madoka said at the end there about, you know, how much of this did she know about? And now all the divisions are like into one that she's in charge of. Like I said, I don't want to be too distrustful, but I mean that's kind of suspicious. Well, it's not suspicious, but it raises my suspicions a little bit. As for the rest of it, that power that she had, like I said, you know, whatever devil that she is, she's higher up, so no one is allowed to know her affiliation. Which I think is an interesting is an interesting detail. I also absolutely love the fact that Denji got like cut in half. I thought it was hilarious. But power took off, and apparently, you know, most of all the divisions have been killed off, apart from like the non-humans. And then, of course, Kobeni coming in to you know, to help out in the last minute, to keep them from taking Denji's body. And now we're just going to figure out how Denji's going to grow the rest of himself back, if that's a thing. Connect his two halves together. I don't know. I'm sure they'll figure something out. As sad as it was, you know, with like Himeno, we didn't even Aki didn't get a go in. I mean, we saw him, but he didn't really do anything. Still trying to process, I guess. But yeah, as sad as it was, and then kind of like, holy crap, what the hell is going on in the middle? And now at the end here, I'm just left with suspicion. So yeah, we're going to leave it there for today. Thank you for joining with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time for more Chainsaw Man. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.